We got Ron over here dropping gems all day. He got the no rap music past 8 p.m. wave happening, and now he got the what's the cue?
Oh, for jump squats?
Yeah.
Become the flower, blossom.
Become the flower
and blossom.
And blossom.
Become the flower, blossom. Ready?
Go. Easy. Man, just wrapped up my workout.
There you go.
Cooling down here on the turf. Bumping that new Wiz Khalifa and Currency album. And about to set up for this consultation that I'm about to walk over to. Man, my hips were a little tight this morning, but we loosened them up a little bit. And now we cool down. Stopped by this awesome diner in the South End before my consultation. So one thing that I like to find out from a potential client before we start training is who they are, what they're looking to achieve, why they're looking to achieve it, and when they're looking to achieve their goals by. This is like the simplest way so that I can help speed up their results and progress. And we can also refer to that statement whenever they're like slumping. Always good to remind them exactly what it is they're training for, right? So when you're setting some goals for your training, you want to know who you are, what you want, when you want to achieve it by, and the big why, right? Why do you want to achieve it? Answer those questions and you'll just see some awesome results, man. Consultation went really great. We signed him up right there on the spot. He's looking to train 3 days a week, trying to get himself back in the pool, man, because he's a swimmer. He's 65 years old and suffers from chronic shoulder injuries and knee injuries through just continuous cardio, and he's never implemented strength training into his regimen. So pretty much we're going to do some prehab work and some rehab work, get his joints nice and stable, and then, you know, we'll see how he'll look during the summer, because he's intending to sign on for the long haul. So looking forward to that as well. So just finished the Fight to Be Fit class that we had here. Mondays at noon, by the way. And it was awesome, man. Had a couple of new guys in here and they performed pretty well. Now I'm going to train one of the workers here, one of my colleagues here, and teach him a few things. I also had an awesome conversation with a Delta pilot that's staying at the hotel up here. He was talking about how, you know, how exercise is very essential to, you know, their rigorous traveling schedule, right? And pretty much he told me pilots suffer from lower back pain. A ton of pilots suffer from lower back pain, and that's from like sitting on the plane for X amount of hours at a time, traveling for 2 weeks at a time, not sleeping well, not eating properly, not even exercising enough. So he gave me some good insights on how to program for my busy entrepreneurs that be traveling, you know, all the time. So hopefully next time he comes and he can take this class. He wasn't able to take this class due to traveling, but he says next time, and he's gonna tell other Delta pilots to come and try this class out. So looking forward to that as well. back to the crib now. Got my lunch heating up, going to answer some emails, and then we're gonna go pick Gus up. All right, let's go get him. Man, it's like summertime out in these streets, dog. Yo, it's crazy. It feels like summertime out here, man. Just got my sweatshirt on. It's 48 degrees. All right, New England, I'm feeling you, partner. We'll see if August is up for it, man. Maybe take him for a walk, man. It's crazy.
I seen your girl post a bill, so I hit her in the DM.
In the deer.
All right, yeah, I see him.
Yeah, I see him.
Yeah, this your man, I hate to be him. It goes
Down in the. It go down in the. You wanna come for a walk with Dada? Not a trip, but a walk, partner. Thank you. Boy, August is not having the best time with me. I'm just trying to calm him down. He wasn't feeling going outside. Hey! Yeah! Again. Kid much prefers to be inside the house. Ball. Oh! 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 We don't do no. Oh! Yeah! Yeah, dunk it again. Dunk it again. Yo, soon he's gonna be dunking just like this.
Against the Southeast, 7-1 on the road against the Southeast. Oh my! Play of the day for the Heat. Derek Jones, a cloud piercer.
Unbelievable. A couple looks here. Bam throws it a little wide and he has to crank back. Watch how he doesn't dunk it. He's throwing it in.
We set in the mood with some R&B, Bryson Tiller, and feeding this little one dinner, man. Wind down, eat dinner myself. All right, tribe, that is another day, day 41, I believe. Not sure, but anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and holla at your guala. Peace.